Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let me show you how to set up the new iPhone 17 for the first time. I've just unboxed it and we are on the hello screen. Just swipe up to get started with. Here, select the language, select the country, and here appearance. Choose how you would like the text and icon size. You have three options: default, medium, and large. I prefer default. And here, quick setup iPhone. So if you have another iPhone, you can simply bring it closer to this iPhone and just transfer all your data from that iPhone to this iPhone. But here we are trying to set this up as a new device. So just tap setup without another device. Here select the Wi-Fi name and provide the password. Then it might take a few minutes here for your iPhone to activate. Privacy and data, tap continue. So here you need to select the age range of the person who will use this iPhone. You have three options: child, teen, and adult. Just select as appropriate. Then Face ID. Here you have two options. You can either set up later in the settings or you can just tap continue and set it up now. Just tap get started. Here you need to scan your face. Just make sure your face is within the frame and just move it around. That's it, done. So if you are using Face ID with a mask, just tap here, or if you don't use Face ID with a mask, just tap here. And that's it, tap continue. Next, create a passcode. You have three options here: custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, and 4 digits numeric code. I prefer to go with 4 digits. Just provide the passcode as you prefer and re-enter it, and it will take you to the next step. Here you can transfer your apps and data from iCloud backup if you already have backed it up, or from another iPhone, or from Mac or PC, or even from an Android phone. So here we are going to set this up as a new iPhone. So just tap here where it says don't transfer anything. Next, Apple account. So if you already have an Apple ID, just provide the email ID and the password and login. So if you don't have an Apple ID, or if you have forgotten your password, just tap on this link right here and tap on the option that says set up later in settings. You can always set this up later in settings. So just tap don't use. Terms and condition, tap agree. So here update your iPhone automatically. If you want to automatically install, just tap continue, or you can select only download automatically. So here iMessage and FaceTime. So tap continue. Location services, you can turn on location services now or set up later in the settings. To set up an eSIM, you can transfer from a nearby iPhone. So if you already have one, you can just bring it closer and tap transfer from nearby iPhone. So here you can unlock and continue, or you can use a QR code to scan an eSIM, or even you can set it up later. Just tap skip. And screen time, you can always set this up later in settings. iPhone analytics, so you can share it with Apple, or if you don't like, you can just tap don't share. So here light or dark display, you have three options: light, auto, or dark. Select whatever you prefer and tap continue. Next, Apple Intelligence, you can set it up later or set it up here. Summarize notification, so you can tap choose notifications to summarize and select how you want to summarize notifications. So here communication and social, and just select whatever you want and tap summarize selected notification. So with priority notification, Apple Intelligence can show your important notification on a separate section on lock screen. So if you want it to be enabled, just tap turn on priority notifications here. So camera control, here it says light press to adjust zoom exposure. If you want, you can toggle this on and tap continue. And visual intelligence with camera control, just tap continue here. The action button can be customized from here. You have a couple of options to select. Just select how you want it to function and just tap continue. I prefer to select silent mode. Just tap continue. And Siri, you can set up later, or if you want to set it up now, just tap continue and speak to Siri by saying Siri or Hey Siri. Just tap continue. And you also have the option to type to Siri. Just read it and tap continue. To complete the setup, you need to say what is displayed on this screen. So just say everything, and once everything is completed, the Siri is ready. Just tap continue. Here you need to select a voice as per your preference. Just select the preferred voice and tap continue. If you want to support in improving Siri and dictation, you can share audio recordings or just tap not now. Here are ways how your iPhone can support you during an emergency. Just read everything and tap continue. So there you go, your iPhone is ready. You are now on the welcome screen. Just tap get started to get to the home screen. So that's it guys, that's how you set up the new iPhone 17 series just after unboxing it. This video is applicable for the iPhone 17 base model, iPhone 17 Pro versions and iPhone 17 Air models. So thank you very much for stopping by this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video.